Welcome back to RC Carnage.
This week, we're gonna take two toy grade BMWs. One we're gonna use stock to do a little drift in, and one that I converted to brushless.
Oh, jeez!
And I don't know if you noticed in the previous video, our truck drift video, there was the Mojave Grom, there was that ITEF truck, and the Huna truck. But in the video included was the MJX, the Hypergo. Well, that was left absent because the minute that I grabbed the throttle, it stripped the spur gear completely out. This is what a lot of RC YouTubers call monkey metal.
Yeah.
So
Pop metal.
Yep. Let's get on to the BMWs. I'm not even going to talk about the brand because brands come and go on Amazon so often. These are about 56 bucks. These are obviously toy grade cars. I'm not even a BMW fan, but these bodies are amazing. This was the first one I got. Intended to leave this thing on the shelf, but we want to do a comparison. This one, obviously, as you can see by the sticker, I've modified. If you guys want to know more about how I modified it, I will make a video for you. If you leave comments down saying, hey, I want to see how you modified that car. All right, Tommy likes to point this out, that it has turn signals, which we know BMWs
don't use their turn signals
whatsoever. So why they put them in these cars, I'm not sure.
And it also has headlights when it's driving.
Now, this does come with a set of drift tires. These are the rubber tires, but it's so dusty in here, I think that it might drift pretty good. Oh yeah. All right, so we put the actual drift tires on the car. All right, time for the modified one.
That was actually good. I hope I caught it. It went through the sun and then it... Oh, your rear tire.
So one thing I'll say is you probably need to glue these tires on if you're gonna do anything like that to it. Probably hear the gyro. So.
Yeah, if you can't tell, that's the same system that's in my low C.
Good point.
Yeah.
Yep.